Hello. So these are ideas that jump out to me for logo design. I'm going to walk you through them one by one. Um, there's about 10 of them. So this first one, I just like the simplicity of it. I'm definitely interested in the minimalistic design idea concept. So I like the simplicity of these lines. I like the black and white. Um, this one, I really like the negative space concept here, where you see you've got like the fox head and the negative space, and I also like the color. So um, this one I really like. Here again, very simple, simple lines. Also has some negative space. Like the color. This is totally different, but it's another theme that's always appealed to me. It's with like kind of the spiraling kind of concentric circles, and I do like the color to it. I recognize it's very different than the other themes, but it's something else that sticks out to me. Again, here you have the negative space, super simple. Um, this I picked just because I like the colors. You can tell I like orange, um, and it's kind of like that matte finish. I like that. Um, Waves, near and dear to me, so wanted to include a couple here. As you can see, they're similar, clean lines, very simple. Also do like the color and the font, um, and that's a nice depiction of the fox.